Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to make your profile photo public on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Whether you want everyone to see your picture or you're adjusting your privacy settings, this updated tutorial has you covered. Let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. This is where all the magic happens. Once the app is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. Tap on these dots to open the menu. From the menu options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage all aspects of your WhatsApp account. Next, tap on Privacy. This section is where you control who can see your personal information, including your profile photo. Now find and select Profile Photo. Here, you'll be presented with several visibility options. By default, it might be set to My Contacts, or even Nobody. To make your profile photo public, simply choose the option labeled Everyone. And that's it. Your profile photo is now visible to everyone on WhatsApp. This means anyone who has your number saved or interacts with you can see your picture. Remember, these settings can always be changed if you decide to limit visibility later. But for now, enjoy having a public profile photo that represents you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video if it helped you out. See you next time.